Hello everybody, Triple and I here. Since it's raining outside and I have nothing else to do, I decided I'll make a simple laser diode driver and teach you guys how to do it. So this circuit is designed to drive these simple small lasers that you can get for cheap. I got 10 of these on eBay for 405, so that's an absolute steal. Using only one generic PNP transistor, in this case the 2N2907, a 1K resistor, a 5.1 volt Zener diode, and a 220 ohm resistor, a bit of perfboard, a 9 volt battery, a connector, usual stuff. So first let's have a look at how this circuit works. So here I have this circuit drawn up for you. Now you might be asking yourself, why such a complex circuit for such a simple application like driving a laser diode. Now the thing with laser diodes is as soon as you connect them to a voltage, they start drawing current and they start heating up slowly. So as the heat increases, the amount of current drawn increases, and that after a certain point will completely kill your diode, and that's not what you want. So this circuit is a simple constant current driver using a PNP transistor. Now how it works is it sets up a bias voltage at the base of the PNP transistor and subtract the bias voltage and the voltage drop across the base and collector part, and you have the voltage across this resistor. And now since you have a constant voltage across this resistor, it can't change because of the Zener diode, you have an almost constant current. So the current formula can be given by Vz minus VBE divided by the resistance of this bias resistor, that's 220 ohm. Now since our Zener diode is 5.1 volts minus, and the base emitter drop is 0.7 volts divided by 220 ohm, that should give us around 20 milliamps approximately. So that is how this circuit works. Have a good look at the circuit diagram. We're gonna start soldering up. Before soldering your circuit, it's always a good idea to test it. So here I have this test setup, and boom, it works. Now let's make some measurements. I have my multimeter here set up to measure current, and as you can see, perfect 20 milliamps, just like we calculated. This is why I love electronics. Awesome. And here you are, done. You have your very own simple laser diode driver, constant current. Keep all your solder tracers short and thick and make it as compact as possible. This is as good as technology gets these days. And now let's fix it up and test it. Stupid connector. Whoop, and there you go, ready. I want to kill the done. And you can point at stuff and irritate stray dogs on the street or whatever people do with lasers. And that's your simple project done. This is Triple and I signing off.